Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Sasha. Today I'm going to be slaying this look using the new It's My Raye Round 2 palette. This is a collaboration with BH Cosmetics. She did come out with this palette and 3 lip products, so we're going to go ahead and try them out and see how we like them. As you guys can tell right now, this look is super poppin', and I've actually been kind of disappointed with myself because it took some time to go ahead and get a dedicated video out for this palette and the lip products, and I was kind of ashamed of myself because I love It's My Raye. She's my girl. I gotta show her some love. So I told myself this is long overdue. So if you guys want to see how I slay this look using her new products from BH Cosmetics and a couple of other BH Cosmetics products, just keep on watching. Come on! Oh, so fierce. This is the packaging for the It's My Raye Round 2 palette. This is in collaboration again with BH Cosmetics. It does have 15 eyeshadows in this palette. You're going to have 7 shimmers and you're going to have 8 mattes, which is really nice. So from left to right, you're going to have Shinin', Golden Girl, Canary, Top Notch, Scarlet, Flare, Brick, Charmed, Majesty, Bark, Sapphire, Cobalt, Cacao, Showgirl, and Ambitious. Now the back of the palette reads, adorn your eyes in decadent jewel tones and essential neutrals with this 15 color eyeshadow palette curated by ultra chic YouTube beauty expert It's My Raye, featuring velvety mattes and shimmery foil finishes with intense color payoff. Each shade blends and builds seamlessly to create endless opulent looks. Girl, now when I hear that, I definitely think the Galaxy palette from Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, when I hear jewel on the eyes, that's exactly what I think of. So I'm super excited about that. But we're going to go ahead and start off with the matte. I am going to be using that color Brick as a transition shade. This is such a perfect transition shade. It works with any tone. You can go pink, you can go neutral like brownish, you can go green, you can do whatever you want to do. When using this transition shade. Sometimes transition shades can be a little too on the pink side, if you know what I mean, or just too on the brown side, and it kind of clashes with some of the other shades that you want to use. But I'm really liking this. So next I'm taking both Bark and Cacao. I'm going to mix the two with the smaller Morphe brush. I'll leave the name of this brush down in the description box below because I don't remember it right off top. But I like to use the smaller brush when applying the darker shade just to get right into that crease a little lower than the transition shade so it's more defined, if you know what I mean. I feel like if I use that fluffy brush, it's all going to blend together and be one shade. I still want you to see that like transition gradient effect to the lighter transition shade, if you know what I mean. Yeah, you know what I mean. So that the line isn't too harsh, I do want to blend these shades in together and I don't want to bring the dark up top. I'm going back in with that same brush I had Brick on without picking up any more product and just kind of blending that out, just blurring out that line. Yay, now for the fun part. I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand, and I'm just going to cut that crease. Yeah, I'm using a Real Techniques actually, it's like a lip brush, actually. It came in the little lip kit. I never use it for my lips. I always use it to cut my crease because it's so perfect. It's like a little mini flat fan, and it just cuts the crease perfectly. So if you guys ever find this in like Walmart or, you know, Target or anything, I definitely recommend picking it up if you're looking for something to cut your crease with that's super easy to use, especially how thin it is. So just going to go ahead and apply that concealer, pack that on so that we can apply a shimmer shade over it. Now you don't necessarily have to do this, but I want that line to be more defined, so I'm going to cut the crease. And I also like the way it looks when you apply shimmer over like a wet formula. It always looks so nice. I mean, you can always spray your brush with some Fix Plus or your Too Faced setting spray or Cover FX setting spray, whatever it is that you like to use. Yeah, it'll just make it pop more. But I'm going to apply a matte shade before I apply that shimmer shade just to give it a little like depth underneath the shade and kind of make it stand out more. I'm going to take that color Ambitious, and it is definitely like poppin'. This shade is so pretty. Don't make the concealer too wet because then it's going to get a lot deeper. But if you apply a light amount of concealer, or even like the, what is it, like the NYX glitter, it's like a glitter kind of like glue or whatever, it will go on very well. So I don't recommend putting on the matte shade without it, just because it's going to take way longer. It applies way better if you apply some concealer underneath. That's just my recommendation or tip. So now I'm going to use some Fix Plus, and I'm going to apply that color Showgirl, and it's definitely showing out, girl. I love this shade. It's so pretty. It definitely can be applied right on top of the concealer without putting the Ambitious shade under, but I like how it looks. It helps it pop a lot more. Like when the light's not hitting it, it still has that tone underneath, if you know what I mean. I really, really, really like that. Again, you don't have to do this. This is by preference, and I'd rather show you as many shades as I can and how they work. But this shade blends and applies beautifully, honey. So I'm going to go ahead and pick back up that cacao color, and I'm going to kind of blend out the outer V just because it kind of faded away a little bit. Now, if I'm being perfectly honest, I do wish there was a darker shade than this. This is the darkest shade in the palette, and I personally needed something darker for the outer V because that just wasn't enough depth for me. So I'm going into the SHAYLAXCOLOURPOP Proceed with Caution palette, and I'm going to pick up the darkest shade she has in there. If you guys are interested in seeing a review on this palette or a tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and leave it right here in the iCard up on the upper right hand corner for you guys. Make sure you guys check that out because that palette is so fire. Also, if you're following me on Instagram, I did post quite a few looks with that palette just because it's that fire. Yeah, but this is about Raye Raye. I'm sorry. I'm just really liking that palette, y'all. So I really, like, girls are killing it right now. Like, they're really doing the damn thing. I mean, give them a applause emoji if you're feeling what our chocolate girls are out here doing in these streets, y'all, because I'm so proud of them. Like, I'm so happy that I'm actually using products in 2019 that have been curated by Black women. Like, we've definitely have come a long way in this makeup industry, and I'm just so happy to be living in these times, y'all. I mean, they a little crazy, don't get me wrong, but I'm definitely happy to be living in these times where we're killing it out here and being noticed by makeup companies because we are big consumers, y'all. So I'm going in with BH Cosmetics. This is like their contour and blush palette. I figured I'll try it out in front of you guys. I do like it. The shade's actually really good, and I don't know why I don't use it more often. I'm gonna start reaching for it more often. I took it out, and it's really, really, really nice. The shade for underneath my eyes, and then it has contour and it has blush in there. So, I mean, BH Cosmetics definitely killed it with this one. So if you guys haven't picked it up, it's super inexpensive. BH Cosmetics products are always super inexpensive, affordable. I just love the quality of their products, and I'm gonna start using more of their products on my channel more often. If you guys are interested in that, definitely give this video a thumbs up for more BH Cosmetic brand videos. I think they have some fire stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up under my eyes to set that concealer that I put on there. I didn't share skin with you guys because, like I said, I'm using my same old, but I did want to share how I'm setting everything since it is a BH Cosmetic product, and if you guys haven't tried it out yet. I'm going to start speeding this video up because I am rambling. Your girl will talk forever if you let her. Do not start a conversation because it will probably never end with me. I mean, especially if I like you, like, and we're vibing, we're gonna talk, okay? We're gonna be talking. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that contour. I'm gonna be using the darker shade, but I'm gonna use a light hand because this shade is pretty deep, and I mean, it's really, really, really nice. But if you use a heavy hand and your my shade or lighter, it can look a little muddy. So I'm going to take those two shades for blush, and I'm going to blend them together. Honestly, I think I shouldn't have used that lighter shade just because it was giving me more of a like ashier pinky tone. But once I used the setting spray and, you know, my makeup started settling into itself, it looked really nice. Next time, I just think I will go with that browner, like more orangier blush shade. Now, you guys seen me use out before, and I think you guys liked it because you guys give me a lot of thumbs up. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply that blush. See how it went a little crazy on the other side, and it's looking like it's sitting on top of my skin a little weird. After I go ahead and blend out my like powder and spray myself, it all calms down. I'm just going to use my Too Faced setting spray and spray myself and then fan off. Now I'm going to combine Shinin' and Golden Girl, and I'm going to apply this into the inner tear duct. I feel like Shinin' is just a little bit too deep to go in the inner tear duct to get that highlight that I'm looking for, and Golden Girl is too yellow. So I feel like together they are the perfect shade for the inner tear duct poppin' look, if you know what I mean. Then I'm going to go underneath the lash line, and I'm going to take Cacao, and then I'm going to go in with Showgirl to just kind of tie the look together. Then I'm going to get some lashes. I'm actually using some Kiss lashes. These are the 101 lashes. They are fire. They're like $8 for like a pack of 6. And when you stack them, girl, tell me mink who? Mink where? You mink on me? Exactly. They look good. I love them. I'm just going to go in with some NYX liquid liner just to cover up the band a little bit and add, you know, that clean lash line. Not going to take it to the outer V just because I feel like this makeup is doing it well. So I don't need to add anything else to emphasize the cat eye because I feel like these lashes are doing well and the shadow's already pulling out like that as well. Just going to go ahead and brighten the waterline, and I'm not sure what I'm using actually. I'll go ahead and put it in the description box below. I probably won't put everything down in the description box below, but I'll put the stuff that I told you I was going to. So I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on my lashes. I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is fire, and I'm so happy that I got a new one. Thank you, Too Faced, for sending me that because I needed it. So I'm using it's my Shayla. I'm using the SHAYLAXCOLOURPOP collaboration. This is BFF3 lip liner. Again, I'm going to have the video up there in the cards for you guys. The whole collection was fire, like I said. But this lip liner has been staying with me at all times because it is my life. So I'm going to align my lips with this, and then I'm going to be using Rosey Raye in the lipstick form, and I'm going to apply that in the center. Now you could wear this look just like this because it looks fire, girl. It looks so good. Look at her work it. So I'm gonna apply it in the middle. You can honestly just apply it by itself, but I like the brown. It complements it and it just kind of ties it all together. Especially if you're not one that likes to wear pinks, I definitely think this is the most subtle approach to the pink look. Oh yeah, I forgot highlight. Let me go ahead and put highlight on because your girl, even though she's glowing right now, she needs to be glowing more. So you guys, it is literally like 4 in the morning and I'm drinking my coffee and I'm lit. So I'm picking Boomin'. This is again from the SHAYLAXCOLOURPOP collection. This is like a couple of collaborations ago, and I just love it. Look how fire it looks. She's approving it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some highlighter just to tie this whole look together. And I like where we're going with this. I'm definitely going to try out the other liquid lipsticks and the lip gloss for you guys. So do hang tight for that. But right now, this is a look. And I'm feeling it. I'm here for it. I'm supporting it. I'm promoting it. So now that you guys have seen Rosey Raye in the traditional lipstick form, let's try the lip gloss and the liquid lipstick. But this is a packaging and I think it is super adorable. Now, they all look the same right now when I swatch them while they're wet. But once the liquid lipstick dries down, you can definitely tell the difference between the two. Now, the lip gloss is first. We got the traditional lipstick and the liquid lipstick at the end. And you can definitely see the difference in formula. So first I'm going to be applying the lip gloss. I love this. The formula feels so nice and comfy, not sticky or anything super opaque. I just really love it. The applicator is nice and chunky because your girl got big old lips and don't got time for those little tiny applicators because it takes too long. I like how precise you can get around the lip line just to make it nice and clean. You honestly don't need a lip liner. I wiped off the lip product that I had before, but it did leave a little remnants of the lip liner because it was a deeper shade. But this is popping, girl. Look at her glisten. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is popping. So now let's try the liquid lipstick. Once you apply at the beginning, it's going to look exactly the same, and you're going to be like, what the hell, didn't I buy a liquid lipstick? Yes, girl, let it dry down like every other liquid lipstick. It dries down to a nice matte, except this one is a comfy matte, especially for the price, you guys. I'm super, super, super satisfied with these products, especially considering the price. So if you guys haven't tried them out, I definitely recommend it. Do you need all of the forms of this color? No, not necessarily. If I had to choose one, I probably would go with the traditional lipstick because it is the best of both worlds, if you ask me. Not too dry, not too lip glossy. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm loving the products from the collection. If I'm being perfectly honest, I wish she would have came out with different shades of like the lip products, but I do think it's a cute idea to have one shade that you really love in different textures, like a lip gloss, a liquid lipstick, and a regular lipstick, because the consistencies and textures are different. They create a different look. So I do understand where she's going with that concept, but it definitely would have been nice to have more shades, but that's something that she can definitely come out with in the future. I do love BH Cosmetics, and I will leave a link down in the description box below where you guys can pick up this product. I want to say congratulations, It's My Raye Raye, on your new baby and all the success that's coming your way, because we know it's not finished for you, girl. I love you. I will see you guys all in my next video. If you guys have any questions, you guys want to request any videos or anything, just make sure you guys leave those questions down in the comment box below. Make sure you guys check the description box below for any information that I'm missing, such as like where I got this wig from and any other things that you guys are interested in. I usually put them in there. I love you guys. If you guys want to check out this look, I'm going to be posting it on Instagram. Follow me there at I am Sasha Fierce 411. I love you guys again. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might find it useful, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to check out some of my other videos. Also, leave me any requests you guys may have for new videos down in the comment box below. Love you guys.